Welcome again to Wendy Stories. We all know that there's no more questions like the 90s trend have really made their way back into the popular culture because these days we have one of the cutest trends like when it comes to short natural hairstyles for beautiful black women. And we are here to bring some beautiful styles from beautiful women that are having their favorite styles, and they are also here, to show you guys also how you can maintain this beautiful short haircuts. So if your hair is on the slightly thinner side, this beautiful hairstyle is for you because this hairstyle is just that perfect short natural haircut that will always add volume and texture, making your hair to appear fuller. I just want you guys to just see the review of this hair. This is so beautiful. I just love the tapered. I just love the way the hair really framed the face. I just love the two-pattern line by the sides, giving that beauty and that kind of attention you want when you were out there. And I want you guys to have this at the back of your mind that this kind of hairstyle you can see is very versatile. It will allow you to really play around with different looks. You take a good look on this hair and different styles. You can see as you're coiling the ends of the layers or even adding textures to the top layers. Take a good look also on this tapered. Wow, so beautiful. That's the kind of style I have because I just love it. It's just so versatile. It's a low maintenance style, and one thing with it is that it's always important to start um, this kind of haircut using some great shampoos and conditioners, which I've always talked about. You can always try some beautiful dark oil shampoo and conditioner for shiny hair. Then sometimes you add those portion night styling treatment to always wet your hair before you allow it to dry. I just love this beautiful hair. This is lovely. This is so beautiful. One thing about the style, you can see how it can even make you have this kind of stunning look and give you that elegancy you will want. This haircut is another hairstyle I would like you guys to just watch. This is when I think this is let's say Diego. No, this is Kenny. Yes, Kenny asking her Christian maybe on the kind of hairstyle she wants, and I just want you guys to also see the review of this hair. Because Kenny is another good guy. Just as I talk about Babivo, Diego, I talk about Cooker, I talk about Step the Barb, and the rest of them. Kenny is another good guy that also knows his onion. He's the guy that can give you what you want, give you that kind of boat cut. It's also based in this kind of pixies and tapered haircut. So you can also see this beautiful pixie. I just love the cord. I just love those bouncing cords. It's so lovely. This haircut fits all face shape. Whether you have the round face or you have the oval face or you have the oblong face, no matter the kind of shape of face you have, this haircut will go for you. And for those that have those broad face, like I have the broad face, that kind of hairstyle definitely will look so good on me. I just love the messiness and the effortlessness of the pixie look. This finger wave is another beautiful hairstyle. It can be dressed up and down, which makes it very easy and versatile. There's always a way, to make your hair really work for you. Even if you've never imagined yourself a short hairstyle, black women really looks amazing, like with all those beautiful short styles we're seeing on the screen. Because you can see some are relaxed, like this particular ones are relaxed hair. And sometimes short relaxed hair can never go out of style. Believe it or not, having this shorter hair doesn't necessarily mean you need to use less product or even let go of your hot tools, especially if you prefer this kind of slick down finish you're seeing on the screen. So after cleansing and conditioning the hair, add just a leave-in conditioner and wrapping foam to the hair to always lay it down. So after allowing the hair to dry, always add that light serum and use a small flat iron to coil and add details. So sometimes I can recommend Well, I said the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Mini Iron, because it will add that flawless exotic treatment to the hair, and you can also use it to finish up the look for that added shine to always avoid frizz. So let me just let you guys to just please watch this remaining video to the end. Let me know your minds in the comment section below. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys.
To create this beautiful hairstyle and really allow the focus on your beautiful face in that occasion. God bless you guys, and see you guys at the end of the video.
What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? It can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though.